Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to mod Beat Saber in a few simple steps. Let's start by opening Google and searching for Beat Saber Mod Assistant. Then click on the first result, more precisely the one cycled in the image. Once the page has loaded, scroll down and click Download here. The link will take you to download the latest version of the program. Don't worry about updating it. It will do it automatically, every time you open it. Now scroll down again and this time click on the Mod Assistant text file to download it. Open the executable. In the introductory screen, click on Accept in order to unlock the mod menu. By clicking on the mod section, after a loading screen, a menu will appear where you can select the available mods and install or uninstall them. However, if the game had just received a major update, like now, the mods will not be available temporarily. The same goes for previously installed mods. In these cases, we can only wait a few days until the new mods are automatically added. By clicking on the info section, you can support the mod manager's creators. By clicking on the options section, you can change the mod selection directory, the app theme, or uninstall all the mods from the red button. Some of the downloadable mods will allow you to change the look of your sabers and blocks. Others will allow you to download custom songs created by other players. Now, if you liked the video, leave a like and subscribe to stay updated on new videos. See you soon!